Don't be a Chotsky. Hey, let that waitress get by back there. Well, I don't feel so good. Like I should. I need a little work. Whatever you need. We'll concentrate. But when I feel it clear, it makes everything alright. You look right. Oh, it's a thing of red talk to the love. Hey, gotta work down. Walking down the street. I think it just so good. I do the phone that says, got what I want. Got what I need. Will you be great until I cry everything? And the next house hero, well, take this. I'll get up. Thanks, man.